Spotty Dotty Show.
To do?
We were trying to get the flying fish through the hole.
Oh, is this your goal?
Yes.
And whoever gets it all the way on the other side first wins?
Yes.
Wow, that was so cool. So we gotta keep our goal, our aim, and our vision. Focus. I love this game.
Go, Dotty, bro. Go, Dotty, bro. Go, Dotty, bro.
So what is a goal? A goal is whatever you want in life. Whatever you work hard to get. What you aim for. It could be something for now or for a long time from now. Something big or something just small. When we play games and sports, we reach our goal when we score. Everyone has a goal in life. What's your goal? Most sports have a goal. Come on! Let's play! Oh, get up, Ashley! Sometimes to get to your goal, you need teamwork. Other people around you to help you along the way. Sometimes you will find obstacles along the way to your goal. Distractions, discouragement, but you must push through.
Adonis, come on, give it to Adonis, give it to Adonis.
Here, Don. You go over there.
Go.
Yeah! We're going to have the ball. Hey! Hi, Daddy! You. Can't get here. Oh! Bye, Daddy! Bye, Daddy!
Yeah!
Don't lose sight of your goal. It may be closer than you think.
Right over here.
Yes, yes.
Yay!
Nice!
Funny.
Keep your aim steady and you will surely win.
Go! Spotty, Dotty! Go, 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 Spotty, Dotty! Yay!
Hey, Bouncy. Let me ask you a question. How do we get better at our aim?
You must practice your aim by doing something that you like, so you will want to keep doing it over and over and over until it gets easier. Stay focused and not distracted. Stay positive because you may mess up sometimes. Be patient and don't give up.
Thanks for answering that, Bouncy. It makes a lot of sense. Everyone should have a goal. What's my goal? I know. I want to be the best person that I can be, and I want to help others too. I also love to express myself through the arts and dance, so I want to get really good at that. I want to be a better painter. I want to learn how to paint some beautiful pictures. And dance and get very flexible, be able to do some cool moves. So those are the things I want to work on. I want to practice. I want to keep my focus. That's what I'm going to do, and I'm going to achieve it. You'll see.
My goal is to be an actress and be in a movie. My goal is to improve in reading and be successful in school.
My goal is to be a good student and have straight A's. My goal is to be a good football player, tackle, learn how to catch a ball and throw it, and be a fast runner. My goal is to ride a bike. I know how to ride a bike.
Do you want to play a stare game with me? The goal is not to blink. So keep your eyes open, and whoever blinks first loses. Ready, set, go! Oh yeah, oh yeah, woo, woo! Don't blink, don't blink. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Ah, I see you, I see you. Ah, I blinked! Oh no, I lost. You won!
Oh no, Bouncy's lost. She needs to get to Spotty Dotty. Can you help her find the best path that will take her to her goal?
You found me, Bouncy! Yay! Because you persevered and never lost sight of your goal, which was me! It's time for macaroni jewelry. We're going to put the string right through the macaroni, and we're going to be making some beautiful jewelry. But first, you need to be focused. You need to target and aim towards your target and be very, very patient, because patience wins the race. Wow, guys, look what we did. These look amazing. But you know what's missing?
What?
Colors! Let's make them fun.
I'll try it.
Try it. I see what you did, Apollo. That looks cool. You just have two pinks right in the middle.
Dotty, Dotty, I need help.
You need help? Okay, let me help you.
Oh, green. I found it. I can hold it. Hold it.
Wow,
Wow.
that's cool. We just finished our macaroni necklaces. Was that fun or what?
Yes. Yeah.
And look, we practiced our patience, our focus, our aim. And we got a beautiful necklace afterwards. Do you want to buy it?
Yeah.
Maybe you can make it yourself at home. It's so easy. Right, guys?
Yeah.
When you have a goal, make sure that you feel special about it. We are born with many goals. These are called milestones. Practice your skill with passion to help achieve your goals. Bring your friends along for the ride. They have goals too. Nothing can stop a goal when it is met head on. So have fun with those you love. Explore this great planet we call Earth. Now ready, steady, aim, and don't lose sight. Woohoo! You did it! Yes! Congrats! Oh yeah!
Oh yeah.
7, 8. I have a goal in mind. And I will practice, focus, be patient till it's mine. I have a goal in mind. And I will practice, focus, be patient till it's mine. Yay! Good job! All right, do you want to learn how to do this chant so you can be motivated on achieving your goal? Let me show you how. We're going to step to the side and clap. Side and clap. One more time. Side, clap, side, clap. Then we're gonna go up. Then up, down, down. Then you're gonna cross your arms and we'll start all over again. You wanna try it? All right, we're gonna go side, clap, side, clap, side, clap, side, clap. Now up, up, down, down, cross. All right, let's do it fast now. Ready, and we go. Side, clap, side, clap, side, clap, side, clap. Up, up, down, down, and cross. Woo! You did it! Now, come with me. Let's do it together one more time. You ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. I have a goal in mind. And now we'll practice, focus, be patient till it's mine again. A goal in mind. And now we'll practice, focus, be patient till it's mine. Woo! Yeah! Yeah! Give one foot up. Give your foot to action. Finish. Ready? Ready, set, go. 2. And we go 1, 2, up. Woo! Go, team, go! You can do it! Go! Yes! You can do it! Woo! All right! Yay! Woo! Woo! We're teamwork! Teamwork! Yay!
Please like and subscribe and stay creative.